Before IRIS, I went to regular college for a few years and decided I didn't like it. And I knew I wanted a career in, the marine industry, and IRIS was a clear choice.
I'm a glass artist, and what really drove me here was kind of a desire to keep expanding my knowledge base.
I graduated from art school at a time predating computers and modeling, so I had a massive hole in my resume, and I decided it was time to fill that gap.
By coming to IRIS, all of you have started to make that commitment to learning and eventually to mastering. If you stay committed, you will be able to look back not at a life of a little of this and a little of that, but rather on a life of substantial accomplishments and a feeling of pride in what you have done.
Well, what I had made is a composite hydrofoiling surfboard. Kind of gave it a multi-purpose as a hydrofoil surfboard, and also you could take the hydrofoil off and use it as a regular surfboard. Every time I look at it, I think I did that, and I can't wait to build something else.
Do what you want to do what you love to do, and all of a sudden the rest of it gets easy. Don't look at the clock anymore, you don't think about it. All of a sudden the day goes by and you become this sort of great celebration of what you can do with your hands and your mind.
Building the sim it's probably one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. To go from a pile of plywood and wires to something you can plug into an engine and start it is pretty cool.
For me, it felt absolutely awesome because I had almost zero experience with hand tools, power tools. For me, it just felt like a huge sense of accomplishment.
Be proud and go out there and enjoy your work. One little quote here from Maria Montessori. She says, "Your hands are the instruments of your mind." And the thing that you people have, the graduates and anybody that works with their hands, is you can dream about something you want to build, you can see something and design something you want to build, but you can do it.
I stand here just to acknowledge the effort that anyone who makes anything, just that effort, that concentration, that open mind, just learning and taking it for what it is. You have this concept and you make something physical, useful, and you have that sense of accomplishment.
You know that these people are very proud of their work, and it's happy to see in everyone's face.
Luck finds the prepared mind. And what you all are doing here in preparation for your careers, your life, your trades, or whatever, you're preparing your mind for that lucky situation.
For the first time, I felt like I had a seat at the table, that I could have a conversation about marine electronics or diesel engines in a way that I could never engage before.
Go for it. It's worth it. Even if you have no experience at all, you'll leave with the confidence of doing whatever your mind could think of.
There's just no better place to be. And it's amazing to just look around to see what everybody has done. And it's kind of magical, I gotta say, it really is.